Retiring abroad can significantly extend your budget, especially when considering countries where the cost of living is substantially lower than in the United States. In these countries, you can even enjoy a beachside lifestyle at a much lower cost. This list focuses primarily on affordability, but also considers the quality of life. The presence of expatriate communities, healthcare standards, and other important factors. These destinations allow you to stretch your retirement funds, particularly if you choose to live outside major urban areas. Number 10. Nicaragua. Nicaragua offers numerous recreational activities, including surfing on the pristine Pacific coast, hiking through scenic volcanic landscapes, and enjoying vibrant nightlife and cultural events. Cities like Granada and San Juan del Sur have well-established expatriate communities, providing ample social opportunities. One of the key attractions for retirees is the extremely low cost of living. Foreigners can fully own property, and while the process can be lengthy, it's straightforward with legal assistance. Renting a simple room or small apartment costs around $150 per month, with basic utilities ranging from $30 to $50. An affordable internet plan costs about $20, while public transportation expenses are around $20 monthly. A basic mobile phone plan adds roughly $10, and miscellaneous expenses can be managed within $40, bringing total monthly expenses to about $400. This budget supports a modest lifestyle focused on local products and services. Additionally, Nicaragua offers favorable tax policies for retirees, with no taxes on income earned outside the country and tax exemptions on imported household goods and vehicles for qualified individuals. Despite some political unrest, Nicaragua remains relatively safe, especially in tourist and expatriate zones. Number 9. North Macedonia. Nestled in the Balkans, North Macedonia is known for its stunning natural beauty, including mountains, picturesque lakes, and lush forests. The country offers a rich cultural heritage, with many historical sites and vibrant festivals, ensuring an engaging lifestyle for retirees. North Macedonia's favorable tax environment is a major advantage, with a flat tax rate of 10% on income up to approximately $119,000 and 18% on higher incomes. There is also a capital gains tax exemption for securities or shares held for over 10 years. Living costs are quite low, with a single person able to rent a one-bedroom apartment for about $160 per month. Utilities average around $60, and groceries can be managed within a $100 budget by shopping at local markets. Dining out occasionally costs about $40, and public transportation is very affordable, with a monthly pass costing around $30. High-speed internet is roughly $20, and a basic mobile plan is about $10 per month, making it possible to live comfortably on about $450 a month. North Macedonia is classified as a safe country and is conveniently located near major European capitals, making travel easy and accessible. Number 8. Serbia. Serbia offers breathtaking natural landscapes, including majestic mountains, serene rivers, and picturesque lakes, providing retirees with ample opportunities for outdoor activities. The country's rich cultural and historical heritage, lively art scene, and numerous festivals offer endless opportunities for exploration and recreation. English is widely spoken, making it easier for retirees to adapt. The cost of living is very affordable, with renting a one-bedroom apartment in smaller towns or suburban areas typically costing between $200 and $300 per month. Utilities, including electricity, heating, water, and garbage disposal, amount to around $70 monthly. High-speed internet costs approximately $20 per month, and public transportation is budget-friendly, with a monthly pass costing about $30. Dining out is also economical, with meals at local restaurants ranging from $5 to $10. Overall, with careful budgeting, a single person can live comfortably in Serbia for under $500 a month. The process for obtaining a residence permit in Serbia is straightforward, with the country offering a Type D visa for temporary residence. Serbia's central location in the Balkan Peninsula offers excellent connectivity to other European countries, and the country is generally considered safe with low levels of serious crime. Number 7. Tunisia. Tunisia offers a Mediterranean climate with hot summers and mild winters, making it an attractive destination for year-round living. The country is known for its beautiful beaches, historical sites, and scenic landscapes, providing various recreational activities for retirees. The cost of living is notably low, with renting a home in smaller cities or suburban areas costing between $150 and $200 per month. Dining occasionally at inexpensive local restaurants costs around $2 to $5 per meal, and utilities generally add up to about $50 per month. Public transportation is very economical, with a monthly pass costing around $20. Additional expenses for healthcare, personal items, and entertainment can be managed within $50 to $100 per month. Depending on your home country, there may be favorable tax treaties with Tunisia that prevent double taxation, providing financial advantages for retirees, managing their pensions, and other income sources. Tunisia has a growing expatriate community, especially in larger cities, making it easier for new retirees to integrate and find social activities. English is commonly spoken alongside Arabic and French, making communication more accessible. Number 6. India. India offers a unique blend of affordability, vibrant culture, and beneficial financial policies for retirees. With various pension schemes and tax benefits, it's an attractive destination for those living on a small pension or social security income. The National Pension Scheme offers market-linked returns and tax advantages, and the double taxation avoidance agreement between India and the United States ensures retirees don't face double taxation on their income from both countries. In bustling city centers, renting a one-bedroom apartment costs about $150 to $300 per month, with rents even lower outside the city, ranging from $100 to $200. Utilities cost between $20 to $40 monthly, and a monthly pass for local buses and metro services costs between $5 to $15. Taxi rides start at $1 to $2. Overall, a retiree can live comfortably on a monthly budget of approximately $400 to $500, depending on lifestyle preferences and location. India's charm extends beyond affordability. The warm hospitality of its people and the country's rich tapestry of communities make it a welcoming place for retirees. Number 5. Paraguay. Paraguay offers a straightforward residency process for retirees, requiring proof of a monthly income of approximately $1,300 to apply for a retirement visa. After gaining permanent residency, which takes about 3 years, retirees can apply for Paraguayan citizenship, which allows visa-free travel within Mercosur countries, including Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay. Paraguay is also known for its low taxes and no taxes on foreign-sourced income. Living costs are very low, with renting a modest apartment in smaller cities or rural areas costing around $137 per month. Utilities, including electricity, water, and internet, typically add up to around $41. Grocery shopping and basic necessities can be managed with a budget of $64, and public transportation costs roughly $21 per month. This leaves around $137 for discretionary spending, including entertainment and dining out. With careful budgeting, it's possible to live comfortably on just $500 a month in Paraguay. The country is generally safe and politically stable, with a growing economy providing a secure environment for retirees. Number 4. Albania. Albania is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, from the beaches along the Riviera to its mountainous regions. The country has a rich history and culture, with numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Albania is an attractive destination for retirees, offering tax exemptions on pensions for European Union retirees, while U.S. retirees may have to file taxes with the IRS, though various income tax exclusions often result in no U.S. tax liability. Renting a small apartment or studio in less expensive areas of Tirana or cities like Shkodër or Durrës costs around $200 to $300 per month, often including basic utilities. Monthly utilities typically cost around $50 to $70, and high-speed internet is about $20 to $30 per month. Public transportation is inexpensive, with a monthly bus pass in Tirana costing around $15 and occasional intercity travel adding up to $10 to $20. These expenses result in a total monthly expenditure of around $500, making Albania a viable option for a frugal lifestyle. Obtaining a retiree residence permit in Albania is straightforward, with applicants needing to prove sufficient pension income, health insurance, and a clean criminal record. Albania is considered safe, with low crime rates, particularly in tourist and expatriate areas. Number 3. Bolivia. Bolivia offers retirees a diverse range of landscapes, from the majestic Andes Mountains to the lush Amazon rainforest and the breathtaking Uyuni salt flats. The country is an affordable place to live, with a specific purpose visa for retirees requiring applicants to be at least 50 years old and show a stable pension income, generally between $200 to $250 monthly. This visa can be converted into temporary, then permanent residency. The cost of living in Bolivia is remarkably low, with a single person's monthly expenses around $480. Dining out is budget-friendly, with a meal at an inexpensive restaurant costing around $3. In cities like La Paz, renting a one-bedroom apartment costs about $145 per month, and utilities typically do not exceed $50 monthly. Public transportation costs are low, with local bus fares only a few cents and taxi rides within cities generally under $10. Beyond financial benefits, Bolivia offers a rich cultural tapestry, and Bolivian women are known for their warm hospitality and cultural pride. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey is a retiree's dream destination, with stunning beaches, historic sites, and vibrant cities. The country offers a favorable climate with mild winters and long, warm summers, especially in coastal areas. Living in Turkey on a modest budget is possible, with renting a modest studio or sharing accommodations in less expensive areas costing around $331 per month. Utilities add approximately $67 to monthly expenses. Public transportation is cost-effective, with a monthly pass available for just $15. High-speed internet is about $9 monthly, and dining out at inexpensive local restaurants is manageable within a $60 budget. Turkey's strategic location between Europe and Asia makes it an ideal base for travel, and the country has a rich cultural heritage, offering a blend of Eastern and Western cultures. The residency permit process in Turkey is straightforward, with applicants needing to prove sufficient financial resources, health insurance, and a clean criminal record. With a stable economy and a generally safe environment, Turkey offers a high quality of life for retirees. Number 1. Colombia. Colombia offers a warm climate, vibrant culture, and affordable cost of living, making it an attractive destination for retirees. The country has beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and bustling cities, providing a wide range of activities for retirees. Renting a small apartment or sharing a larger space can cost between $200 and $300 monthly, depending on the location. Utilities typically add up to around $70, including electricity, water, and high-speed internet. Public transportation is very affordable, with a monthly pass costing around $25. Dining out at local restaurants is inexpensive, with meals costing between $3 to $5. Overall, retirees can live comfortably on a budget of around $500 per month. Colombia offers various visa options for retirees, including the retirement visa, which requires proof of a minimum monthly income of around $750. The country is generally considered safe for expatriates, with established expatriate communities and vibrant social scenes. Colombia's modern healthcare system is affordable and of high quality, with many English-speaking healthcare professionals available, making it a practical choice for retirees. Thank you for watching. Let's start chatting in the comments section. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. See you next time.